Most people get this wrong. They think collections stay forever no matter what, but the biggest mistake you need to avoid is ignoring the options you actually have to remove or reduce their impact. In this video, you'll learn how to remove collections from your credit report in 2026 and what actually works in real life. Let's start with the truth. A collection account happens when a debt is unpaid and sent to a collection agency. It can seriously damage your credit score, but it does not mean you are stuck forever. Now here's where it gets interesting. There are actually several legal and practical ways to deal with collections, depending on your situation. First step, verify the collection. For someone like Alex who just discovered a collection on his report, the first move is not paying. It is checking if the debt is accurate. You can request validation from the collection agency. They must prove the debt belongs to you and is correct. But here's the problem. Many people skip this step and pay immediately, even when the debt might be incorrect or outdated. Second step, dispute inaccuracies. If anything is wrong, like wrong amount, wrong date, or wrong account details, you can file a dispute with credit bureaus. For Jake, even a small reporting error can be enough to get a collection removed if it cannot be verified. Third step, negotiate a pay for delete. This is where things get strategic. You contact the collection agency and ask if they will remove the account after you pay it. In a minute, I'll explain why this does not always work, but when it does, it can improve your credit faster. Fourth step, settle the debt. If removal is not possible, you can still settle for a lower amount. This does not erase the collection, but it updates it to paid, which looks better to lenders. For John, this helped improve his loan approval chances even before the collection was removed. Now let's talk about timing. Collections stay on your credit report for up to 7 years. But their impact decreases over time, especially if you build positive credit behavior alongside them. Fifth step, rebuild credit at the same time. This is where most people fail. They focus only on removing the collection and ignore rebuilding credit. That slows down recovery significantly. Instead, focus on on-time payments, low credit usage, and adding positive accounts if needed. Now let's be clear. There is no magic button to instantly erase valid collections. But there are smart strategies to reduce their impact or remove them when possible. Let's summarize everything clearly. To remove collections in 2026, start by verifying the debt, dispute errors, negotiate removal when possible, settle if needed, and rebuild credit consistently alongside the process. If this helped you understand how collections really work and how to deal with them, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple credit guides like this.